Hey, it's Mike. I'd like to talk about Drone Delivery Canada Corp. The stock trades on the OTC or the pink sheets under symbol TAKOF. The stock was up over 7%, up to $1.42. Take a look at the 1 month chart. This stock has been moving really well. I mean, it was a sub $1 stock, broke through $1. And as I've always talked about, the sub $1 stocks that break through $1 and stay above $1 tend to move very quickly up to $2 a share. And it looks like Drone Delivery Canada is headed up towards that $2 a share mark. So you definitely want to keep an eye on it. You take a look at the 6 month chart. This stock has definitely moved pretty far, pretty fast. So you may get a little bit of a pullback here. However, I think on any pullback you may want to accumulate because I do think this stock is head towards $2. And if it could break through $2, then it could definitely head to $5 a share. So Drone Delivery Canada, as the name implies, they are involved in drone delivery services. But the thing that really makes this company unique is that they have complete turnkey logistics solutions, and they have a proprietary software program. And the logistics part of drone delivery is going to be very important. It seems like Drone Delivery of Canada has a great logistics system that as drone deliveries become more and more commonplace, you have to make sure that these companies are able to operate their drones in a safe manner and be able to get all the deliveries done really efficiently. And by having a proprietary software, that's going to put Drone Delivery Canada ahead of this competition. And of course, drone delivery is kind of in its infancy right now, but you can imagine a decade from now, the entire sky is just going to be flooded with drone delivery, crafts everywhere, and that's going to put Drone Delivery Canada in a great position. So if you want to get on the bottom floor of a company that could potentially be pretty big, several years from now, I definitely think Drone Delivery Canada is worth the look. Right now, I think there's definitely a lot of potential that this stock, I would say maybe a 1/3 of a chance of this stock running up to $5 a share on price action alone. But I would say over the next 5 or 10 years, this could definitely be a stock that could be hitting $40, $50 a share just because it's in an industry that's bound to really explode. So definitely check out Drone Delivery Canada Corp. It trades on the OTC or the pink sheets on the symbol TAKOF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.